everyone, welcome back here. If you don't know me, this is Nisha, a calisthenics athlete, and today from the Beginner Calisthenics Series, we have for you the perfect warm-up. Now this is going to be a follow-along video. What you need is only a mat, and that's also optional, so absolutely nothing. You can follow this warm-up routine before any workout, so let's not waste any time and get right into it. Alright, perfect. So now we'll start with warming up our neck first. For that, keep your shoulders down, chest out, and we'll move our neck side by side. Just do it with me. Feel that nice stretch at the sides of the neck. Keep it there for a couple of seconds. Then we'll look up and down. Feel that stretch at the back and the front of the neck. Feel the stretch in the spine as well. Perfect. Okay. Now let's get down to our shoulders. We will start with shoulder rotations. We just have to keep our arms stretched out and rotate. Great. And opposite. Let's go. Alright, now we're going to start doing some hip rotations. For that, keep your legs a little wider. Keep that core engaged. And we start by taking big rotations. This helps strengthening your hips and making the lower body more mobile. And switch. Alright, we're almost there. What we'll be focusing now on is our lower body and a little dynamic stretches. We'll be keeping our legs wide enough and we'll sitting in a squat position. You can keep your fingertips on the mat to make it slightly easier. If you want to advance it or make it more difficult, then you can keep it under your toes. We will just lift our hips up. We can be as close to our body to make it a little more difficult, or as forward to make it slightly easier, then back. Now we go. If you feel this is still difficult, what you can do is you can keep a bench or a chair here, keep your hand on it and then do it like that. So it will become slightly easier. Now we'll be doing a little bit of side stretches. So we'll open some of these muscles here. Just totally feel this stretch and switch. You can also do the switch by keeping your palms on the mat. So like this. Feel this stretch right here. All right. Yes. Perfect. So this is going to be the last warm-up exercise. If you have a jumping rope, great. If you don't have, we're just gonna do jumping rope without the jumping rope. Alright, so just on the spot, on your toes, nice, slow, steady jumps in control. We have to get that heartbeat going. Alright, and that's about it. Thank you so much guys for being here. Thank you for following along. I hope it helped. If you want more advanced version of this, please let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to provide you with that. Now, if you do not know, this is the Beginner Calisthenics Series which I have started. 2 videos are out, including this one. And the next video is going to be all about foundational movements, foundational skills. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so that you do not miss out on that. If there's any particular suggestion, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. Till then, have an amazing time. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.